But I will focus on Pakistan. According to the Article 251 of the Constitution of Pakistan, Urdu is the official language of Pakistan. But it never became an official language of Pakistan. So in 2015, 7 years ago, the Supreme Court of Pakistan directed the government to adopt Urdu as the official language of Pakistan. But even the Supreme Court of Pakistan failed to adopt Urdu as the official language of the court, and after 7 years of their own verdict, they are still writing their decisions in English language because the Pakistani courts, they practice English law, which is written in English language. So the Supreme Court of Pakistan is violating its own order. The Supreme Court of Pakistan is violating its own order because this English language is very strong in Pakistan, and the supremacy of English in Pakistan is an evidence that the British Raj lives on.